Factory's Make It Your Own challenge, I recreated the Starry Night out of soap. I first got into crafting when I was much younger. Even as a young child, I can remember making things out of cardboard boxes and silver foil. I've always been artistic, and as I grew older, that kind of just evolved into different mediums, and that's what eventually led to using soap as a medium. I took on Craft Factory's Make It Your Own challenge because I loved the idea of trying something new that I had never done before. The soap that we created is a lot bigger than the soaps we normally create, and I just loved the idea of a new challenge and new techniques and actually pushing myself a little bit further than I perhaps normally would to create something really amazing. The experience of recreating the Starry Night in soap was actually pretty challenging. We began by looking at images of the original painting and then working out what aspects of that image we wanted to translate into soap. So we mixed colours together to create a nice pour, and we then used a lot of piping, which is similar to what you'd use in cake decorating, so piping bags and different nozzles to create different effects on top of the soap. Overall, we are really happy with how the soap masterpiece had turned out, and we would definitely love to do something like it again in the future. I craft because I really enjoy it. There's something incredibly satisfying about being able to sit down after a tough day and perhaps map out a new soap design or work on a new technique that I've been practicing. And I'm also lucky enough to have been able to turn my craft into a business, which is a massive bonus. I like the fact that inspiration can kind of strike you at any time and any place, and you never stop learning. There is always something new to learn. So I don't think I will ever stop crafting, as it is something that I just love doing so much. I hope you enjoyed hearing about my soap masterpiece. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and remember, you can get your very own starter soap making kit from craftfactory.com. We can't wait to see what you make.